What are you doing? Hi guys. I'm not boring. Sorry. I'm live there to help everyone. Thank you for the fan club, sir. Actually, thank you for the TikTok. Okay. So guys, it's raining here. Guys, please help me guys for my goals. You help present me guys, that's a big help for me. Hi Hero. For my skull. If you help me, if you send me my Gcash number in my bio. Oh, artistic, thank you. Yes, I have a big heart. Please guys, if you help me, my Gcash number in my bio, that's all. I am good and respect myself. Not like that. There's. Jai! Sa lutoon mo dire. Guys, being poor not easy guys, because a lot of difficult, but still fighting guys, because I want to finish my study. Still fighting. Guys, the rain is so God raining here. Guys, please follow my goals, everyone. Now I'm cooking here. Hi, Flag G. I'm cooking. So I'm cooking here, guys. You see? Hi, guys. Randy, sir, good morning. Yeah, later I'm going to shower. Thank you so much, Flagy. Thank you, sir, Flagy. Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you, sir, Flagy, for the galaxy. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So are you? Everyone, are you okay? I'm cooking, Sir Flagy. I'm cooking now. Later, if Darin is stop, go to school, then shower, go to school. Good morning, everyone. Are you still here, sir? God. Flagy, agad. Sir Flagy, for my goals. Oh, my goals.